basically, my first question is like, why are we? Do you know what we're actually debating Christianity? Yes. Like, why are we debating Christianity? Yes. Like, at the end of the day, but the issue is, yeah, Christianity is not our religion, right? The foundation is, the reality is every religion has pros and cons. So, okay, yes, of course our religion had our own cons, but then why can't we say, let us develop that, let us, as culture evolves, let us evolve our own. Why are we evolving their own? But at the end of the day now, like, the question here is looking at the effect it's had on us. But yeah, we're debating Adam and Eve, we're still so focused on the white man's religion. It's still, regardless of whatever you say, it's not your religion. Like, I'm not saying that, and when people are like, oh yeah, you can, because we're doing our father in Igbo, just because you speak it, you say in Igbo, does that mean that it's still not their ideals? When you close your eyes and think of what Jesus is, what image comes to your head? And I feel like that mentally enslaves us, like, regardless, fundamentally.
You said that the Western world. Who's you? I forgot your name, sorry.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm not even
you said the Western world is more, less, it has less patriarchy than Igbo culture because of Christianity.
No, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I just said that it does. I didn't say because of whatever. I think.
Okay, let Kevin finish, please.
I was thinking you said so that it has that because of Christianity, because the Western world is not really that, religious anymore. And I don't. Okay, I don't think Christianity has solved that issue in Igbo culture. I don't feel that Igbo culture was that focused on men to start with. So I don't feel like Christianity has evolved it anyway. So.
But that was my point. My point was that these things still remain. I think we need to understand the question. The question here is, how has Christianity affected the Igbo culture? Has Christianity come at the expense of Igbo culture? Yes. So my point was, there are still some things that we hold there's still some things that are so integral to Igbo culture that we still have despite Christianity, and that was an example.
Thank you.
No, I thought you were saying that Christianity has fixed that issue. That it's evolved.
I think he's saying that. I think he's saying if Christianity Christianity never came, would Islam have been the reigning religion?
Okay, thank you. After
just to raise on for you, it wouldn't if we would still practice the native religions, because one of the reasons that they brought Christianity to the Igbo land specifically was because they couldn't defeat us with just weapons. We were really hard trying to break down. We were really hard trying, and if anyone knows me, I'm very spiritual. Do you understand? However, I do agree that the Christianity did come along and did make change. It did affect the Igbo culture, because there are a lot of practices that we don't practice nowadays. Do you understand? And there are a lot of structures, but these structures were always related to a deity or something like that, and those were torn down. So there are parts of the Igbo culture that we will never know about because Christianity came and invaded us. But Christianity coming wasn't necessarily a bad thing, because what affecting us nowadays isn't Christianity or anything, it's a lack of education. That's why we're
not the only people that got Christianity. Yoruba people have that, but they know their culture. It's not
going to pray rather than seeking medical help. Where is the medical help? Where is the medical help going to come from? Do you understand? Because all the great Nigerian doctors aren't in Nigeria; they're abroad. Yes. Do you understand? So
what about people in the UK who readily have access to the NHS and will pray over serious ailments because of Christianity?
Help and praying at the same time. Wait, can I just reply him? Wait, quick question. Me seeking medical help and praying about it isn't a bad thing.
He didn't say that. He said it's
Okay, so I was asking for both of you. So you believe in the gods and ancestors? Is that what your point was?
I think not. You know what it is, yeah?
Is that what you believe in?
Okay, to me, yeah. I at times I do believe now, but then I'm also very into research. To me, it's about proof. Show me the proof that something exists. Proof. I need proof, evidence, research.
Okay, I'm going to end the discussion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, guys. Okay.